Jai Shri Guru Bhagwat. Devotees of the Master. Classification of the devotees. Classification in accordance to the compliance with Guru's orders. Action performed for the cause of the Guru always brings good results. The services to the Guru do not go in vain. Such is the way of the law of karma. Sri Guru teaches that action, karma, is the very basis of divine grace. He, the Guru, gets many karmas, actions, performed through the devotee, and he, Guru himself, bestows the benefits of such karmas, activities. The first type of devotees who are virtuous are rare to find. They are the sadhus and saints who have become pious due to the grace of the Sri Guru. With the grace of Guru, the sadhaka, spiritual practitioner, moves ahead in the path of progress. Life after life, he slowly proceeds in the path of sadhana, spiritual practices. During the period of his human embodiment, the yogi completes his sadhana, spiritual practices. As his end approaches, Sri Guru leads him to the path of salvation, Dibya Rasta. The second type of devotee is very attached and loyal to Guru. Away from his family, he is always in the company of the Guru. Renouncing at the end the worldly affairs, he receives Diksha, spiritual initiation from Guru. He undertakes jap, recitation of name, tapa, mendicant practices, and dhyana, meditation, and clears off the debts of the past lives, parabdha karma. As the moment of death approaches, he goes on chanting jap, Guru's name continuously. Remembering the Guru till the last moment of life, he passes off to a state of eternal bliss, Vishranti. The third type of devotees is extremely attached with the worldly affairs. Doing punya, virtuous action, with papa, sinful action, he passes away when his time is over. Such types of devotees are innumerable who yearn after worldly pleasures. They don't have a stock of accumulated punya, virtuous deeds, in order to be able to receive divine grace. Jai Shri Guru Bhagwat.